Hi guys, I'm Ashley.
And I'm Liz.
Welcome back to Dancing in the Kitchen. We're still focusing on healthy breakfast,
Yes.
and today we have one of Liz's favorites.
Overnight oats.
Overnight oats. They're super simple.
Yes.
You can just make them ahead of time, batch cook.
Yeah, and they're good for the week, and you just pop one out and have it on the go if you want, or anything. It's super easy.
And we're going to talk about a recipe that I really like that includes pumpkin. Pumpkin's actually really healthy for you, and it has some surprising mental health benefits.
Nice.
Pumpkin has a lot of beta carotene. It's got that orange-red kind of color to it. So we've got like that vitamin A precursor, but it also actually has something that you usually think about when you think about Thanksgiving turkey.
Tryptophan.
Tryptophan. And tryptophan is a precursor to serotonin.
Right.
Serotonin being kind of a keyword neurotransmitter implicated in depression. I think we've talked a lot about a lot of other things on this show so far, but we haven't really gotten into neurotransmitters and the role they play in mental health.
Right.
So when you think about SSRIs, the classic one being like Prozac, that's the neurotransmitter that they act upon.
Okay.
So what they usually do is they either block serotonin from being absorbed into the neurons so that it stays in the synapse longer and can act in the way that it needs to kind of get you that lift. But our guts produce like a good percentage, I don't know the percentage offhand, but a good percentage of the serotonin in our body is produced in our gut. So pumpkin contains tryptophan and is actually really good for building up our serotonin levels naturally.
But not going to put me to sleep like classically known.
Probably not.
Okay, good.
No. Yeah, so that's what we want to say about pumpkin. It's a good thing. It's a good thing.
Love pumpkin.
We also have a song that we're going to be featuring today.
So one of yours.
It is. It's actually a throwback, but I really love this song, and it makes me think about when I was kind of in my depressed days, what that was like for me. It's a song called Wasteland. And even though it's kind of got like a solemn tone to it, it's also kind of got that like hopeful, uplifting, like, rescue me from this, you know, that like when you're lost in that gray space, just knowing that like that's not the only reality available. And we really hope that when you guys are tuning into this show, you kind of get a glimpse, if you're in a dark place, that like there's another place, another reality that you can get to. I've gotten to a much better place in my life, and we really hope that we're inspiring you the same.
Yes, we do. Very much.
That being said, what should they do below?
Yes, they should like and subscribe, of course. And I mean, I'll take a pumpkin spice latte if you're in the mood.
Yes, please.
And yeah, and of
merch.
course, check out our merch for
Check
sure.
out our merch. Cool. All right, let's get cooking, and we'll see you back here in a bit. enjoyed our overnight oats oats recipe preparation.
Yes, we hope that you enjoyed. Pumpkin is the way to go. It has a lot of health benefits, and if you enjoy eating it, incorporate it into more of your foods.
Absolutely, and we would also be curious to know, if you want to comment below, how do you like to make your overnight oats? Because there are endless combinations.
Endless. I mean, especially right now, it's a trend. So let us know what you put in it.
Yeah. All right. Again, like, subscribe, buy our merch.
Check out the merch.
Buy us a coffee.
Yeah, we love all of it. Thank you so much for tuning in, and we'll see you next time. Bye.